Page number 270, question number 13. L, B and W are partners of a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:2:1. Balance sheet of their firm on 31/3/16 was as under. Capital account general reserve take 2:2:1. Creditors, outstanding expenses, goodwill take 2:2:1. Building, debtors, stock, cash. W retired on 1/4/2016. W retired on 1/4/2016. Terms of retirement were decided as under. Market value of building tick, stock. Personal expense of W, 500 was debited to P&L account, separate. Goodwill of the firm is value. L will gain 5/40th and B will gain 3/40th from W's share of profit. Amount due to W is to be paid in cash, and the same amount will be bought in cash by L and B in such a manner that their capital may remain in their new profit loss sharing ratio in the new firm. So it's a very important point, 6.1. Now let's start the sum. Capital account by balance brought forward. $20,000, 12,500, 5,000. By general reserve, 2:2:1, so 2,000. Creditors, no adjustment, 20,000. Outstanding expense, 3,000. Goodwill, debit to partners in old ratio, 3,200. Old. Okay, any doubt? Next, building, inner column 37,000. Debtors, no adjustment, 30,000. Stock, 5,500. Inner column, important adjustment. Cash to balance brought forward. Market value of the building is 50,000 plus revaluation 13,000. By building, Book value of stock is 10% more than its cost. Stock is to be recorded at its cost. Can you tell me the amount? 500 का क्या करेंगे हम? Decrease करेंगे because book value of stock is 10% more than its cost. So this is already 10% more. So if cost is 100 plus increase is 10, 110. So 110 is to 5,500. 10 is to how much? Cross multiply into 10 by 110, which is equal to 5. So we have to bring it to cost. So minus revaluation. to stock. Understood this? Directly 550 मत कर देना please. Third, personal expense of W rupees 500 was debited to profit and loss. So now we will credit revaluation account and will debit partners capital account. Two drawings. 500. 5 drawings. पहले प्रॉफिट को डिक्रीज किया, प्रॉफिट को कर दिया इंक्रीज, was debited to profit and loss instead of partners capital or instead of drawings account. So drawings account debit, drawings account will be debited and revaluation account will be got it all of you? Okay. You may also write to revaluation account over here. Then find the gain ratio. L will gain 5/40th and B will gain 3/40th from W's share. Old ratio is 2/5, 2/5 and 1/5. Who is retiring? W. His share is taken by, oh wait, sorry. Who is gaining? L will gain 5/40th. So 5/40 and 3/40. Directly it's given. So it is 5:3, and if you total it, 5 plus 3, 8 divided by 40 is 1/5. We don't need the new ratio. Okay? Now, write share of W in goodwill is equal to 80,000 into 1/5, 16,000. Write the entry L's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to W's capital account credit. 16,000. L and B will be debited. L will be debited by how much? 10,000. And B will be debited by 6,000. Let's do the posting by L's capital account by B's capital account 10,000, 6,000 to W's capital account 10,000, 6,000. Close revaluation account. Profit 13,500 to partners capital account L, B and W 30,000, 2,600 यही आ रहा है सबका? ओके, ट्रांसफर इट बाय revaluation account $5,200, $5,200 and $2,600. सबसे पहले बैलेंस W we have to pay him in cash. How much? Total 24,000. 22,500. So this amount we have to pay him in cash. But ध्यान दो, Do we have sufficient cash? We have only 2,000. So we are writing it over here. But this deficit, this amount of cash what we pay has to be bought by L and B. So by W's capital account 22,500. This cash which you are paying to W is to be bought by whom? L and D in such a way that the new capital of the firm will be in profit sharing ratio. Understood this? In what ratio? New. So we need to find the new profit sharing ratio now. Find out. (21 by 40). (21 is to 19). 21 is to 19 is the new profit sharing ratio. Okay. Now I'll do some working. ये हो गया सबका? सबका आ गया ये आंसर? Working note for capital adjustment. Capital adjustment में let's first write the balance of capital L and W, L and B. Find the balance of capital of L and B in rough. No need to close. Don't do the totals because they are going to bring money, so this total will change. 14,000. What's the capital of B? 10,500. Okay, now what's the total? 24,500. Are you sure, all of you? बराबर है? Now plus cash to be bought. How much cash is to be brought? 22,500. So total capital कितना होना चाहिए? 47,000. All of you understood this? इतना already capital था. Plus 22,500 they have to bring to pay this partner who is going. So total capital of the new firm should be now 47,000. In what ratio? In 21 is to 90. Find out new capital L and B. What's L? 24675 and B 22325. Okay, now all of you understood how we got this. फिर से एक बार सबसे पहले we find the balance of capital of L and B. You understand it logically, okay? खोखना मत, क्योंकि हर एक सम अब जो तुम करने वाले हैं ऐसा क्लोजिंग कैपिटल वाला है, उसमें concepts अलग-अलग है हर एक सम में. Now over here, the concept what we are learning is that we have to pay cash to a partner who is retiring, and to pay to this partner, the existing partners will bring cash in the business. Now they will bring cash in such a way that their new capital will be in the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, this is what the question says. Now, first is we balance L and balance B. So what balance we get is 14,000 plus 10,500. So total capital is 24,500. Plus they have to bring 22,500. So new capital will be how much? 47,000. This goes in the ratio 20 is to 90. Immediately over here, leaving two lines to balance carried forward. Two clear lines. 24675, 22325. Working note 2. What will be the difference? Difference will be by cash. It can also be 2 cash. That is also possible. 37875. 10675. Transfer करो 2. Else capital account 2. B is capital account 10675 11825. By balance carried 2000.